Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best Santoku knife that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best Santoku knife. Generally, most chefs prefer a chef's knife that works in the rocking motion for cutting large quantities of herbs and veggies. However, since the past few years, more and more chefs are embracing the Japanese knife for chopping, slicing, and mincing large quantities of veggies and herbs. A good knife is a reliable pal for a chef, as it makes dropping and scooping the fresh. Number 5. Kaishun Premier Santoku Kitchen Knife. Instead of heavy, ponderous blades, Shun Classic blades are lighter with crafted from advanced steel, rather than weighty Western handles. Main features: stainless 34 micro layers of steel, razor sharp 16 degrees cutting edge, comfortable grip. Number 4. Kaibanai Fuji Santoku Knife One Piece Black. Consistent pursuit to achieve quality and integrating practical aesthetic, through the guidance of ultimate craftsmanship of cutlery making, people are led back. Main features: high carbon stainless steel, blade length 165 mm, Pakawood handles. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Santoku Knife Chopping with Straight Edge. This Japanese-inspired knife is a multi-purpose tool with a premium quality blade for cutting foods of all sizes from pineapples. Main features: ergonomic and slip-resistant handles, comfortable for long use, 100% recycled. Number 2. Victorinox Swiss Classic Stainless Steel Santoku Knife. Our broad utility-based product range of knives caters to both professionals as well as home cooks. Its high quality, durable materials and ergonomic design. Main features: ultra-sharp blade, comfortable grip, easy to carry. Number 1. Westhoff Santoku Knife One Piece Black. The hardest working knife in Asian cooking, the Japanese a cross between a butcher knife and a European chef's knife splits, chops, dices, and slices meats, vegetables, and fruit. Main features: high carbon steel, stain resistant, length 5 inches. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.